What happens when the bravest fisherman and the greatest preacher follow Jesus together?
Today we celebrate a very special feast, the feast of Saint Peter and Saint Paul. Two different men, two amazing stories, one great love, Jesus. This is Peter. He was a fisherman. Jesus called him to be his special friend. Peter was brave, but sometimes he was scared too. But Jesus said, "You are Peter, and on this rock I will build my church." This is Paul. He was not a friend of Jesus at first, but Jesus changed his heart on the road to Damascus. Then Paul traveled far and wide, telling everyone about Jesus. Peter and Paul had different jobs, but they worked together to spread God's love. They faced many dangers, but nothing could stop them. They loved Jesus more than anything. We celebrate their feast on June 29th. Let's thank God for St. Peter and St. Paul and ask them to pray for us. Dear friends, let's be brave like Peter and Paul. Let's love Jesus and share his love with everyone. God bless you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Nazareth Kids Stories.